Alright, so it is Monday, just got Monday, 20th of November, 20 past midnight, and just gonna do a weekly trading outlook for the trades I wanna take during the week and see what's up. I might make another video like Monday evening if my biases change, because what I'm gonna start to do is not trade on the Monday, just see how the price action plays out, and then hop on to some trades on Tuesday, and then yeah, go from there basically. Because I've been finding that my biases change on the Monday just to let things unfold, especially this week, seeing as we had major big moves, and then yeah, we're gonna see how it goes. So if we look at news first, the things that have caught my eye are unemployment claims Wednesday, 1:30. You also have flash manufacturing PMIs, which could be a bit important as well. There was one other thing I saw, I think. Oh yeah, unemployment. Did I say that already? Yeah. Yeah, so it's just those two things really. So Wednesday, Wednesday 1:30. And then Friday, what was it? PMIs on Friday at 2:45. Cool. That's it really. So if you just jump straight into it, for the weekly outlook, we have this demand zone weekly. Hasn't really respected it nicely, but nothing much to go off. I think the plan remains the same, not to overcomplicate it, but still sticking with the 2022 range. We can either see a bounce up here and then take it out, or come into here and then see a reversal. I'm still bullish, if you want to say, but don't really like using them terms. I'm still playing it level to level, essentially. I don't see why not. What else is there I was going to suggest? Yeah, nothing much really. So yeah, we're just looking out for these two levels basically for a reversal. And then if we just flick through the indexes, pound would probably go up a bit more. Euro, I don't see why we don't go up as well. I mean, we've broken out this trend line, I'd say, but yeah, nothing really. I guess if you want to channel it out, have it like a wedge, but yeah, nothing to really comment on. Don't see why I can't push up into here. Maybe take out this wick here and then reverse, and then yen obviously hasn't really changed. If it comes up into here, then it looks quite interesting. But yeah, you can do that, but it's just been going down, innit? But it's looking like soon it's just gonna start going sideways for a bit. Where is it? Yeah, this one. It looks like it's gonna go sideways for a bit and then slowly pick up the pace. We'll see it. Let's actually just start looking at pairs now. Okay, GU. Start on the weekly. So I'm just asking myself, okay, what's capping price at the moment? Can say maybe this level. Yeah, maybe, yeah. I mean, you could also use this level as well, I guess, and that back. Is this a fucking alert? Yeah, just delete that. 1 sec. Yeah, so, and this one's obviously confluent with the previous monthly high, which we've broken out of. I think I also did mention, okay, yeah, look, there's some support level, blah, blah, blah. But basically, this is like an area of interest for us. And even if we just break it down into like ranges, it is obviously an important level, but this is a big level. So how do we play it? Well, how am I looking to play it? Ideally, I want like a pullback, like a minor pullback. There's some inefficiency here, and it'll be nice to just test the previous monthly high again. And then if either, now we look at how to play two different scenarios. So obviously we've got this inefficiency here. So scenario one would be, okay, we'll come into here, maybe just a little tap and then come to reverse it. And then we have obviously scenario two, where we just start to reject off that. So I'll be looking very closely. Ideally, I want it to start telling me signs around this level here, so I just have more conviction. But yeah, that's it really. What else are we looking at? I think there's another confluent level there. Previous weekly mid, yeah, we could bounce off that. That's just another support level really, if you just think about it. Like, okay, cool. Let me just draw a zone for that instead, I guess. So yeah, just keeping a close eye on it and then seeing what's up from here. GJ. I just had what did I draw here? Yeah, so we have a swing level here. So I guess this is important because on a yearly range as well, it's just the swing level that's keeping out. So right now it's just acting a bit as support. So it's whether or not we hold this level to go long, or sorry, one second. Yeah, or we do in fact come down and try to short this. Keeping it very simple. I'm trying to just do these things black and white now, since everything's kind of, I'm not getting the best read on the indexes basically. So yeah, first thoughts though, this comes up a bit more in my opinion, but let's see. Yeah. What's the next pair then? Got USDJPY. Same plans really. Why will it just tank from here? I mean, I personally think we just trade up there for a bit, and then we look to reverse. This is my favourable outcome. You know, there's like some highs I talked about before, all the way up here. So we can say, okay, range here, mid-range here. So maybe if we break above that level, we basically come either come to the mid of this level, or just come to the very top and then reverse. Or you could just tap here, start rounding up here. So I'll just keep a close eye on it. I don't like trading yen pairs anyway. So let's see though. USDCAD. This looks alright to go up still. Just looking at these highs, to be honest, just to take profit on. Even this one here as well. But this looks, that's so ugly. This looks good to still go up, to be honest. I think eventually we do tap into this and then we just go back down. Oops. Yeah. And then we'll go EURUSD. This is this one I'm keeping a big eye on. So this swing point is just a point of interest this one and these two. So I'm just looking at maybe we just come into this level and come to tag it basically and reverse. But again, like, not trying to guess anything, nothing, but we either hold this and then reverse, or come down, break it down. Basically, I'm just looking for triggers of entry to do this. It's following the quarter range nicely. If you take it as a support resistance, support comes back in, blows it through, support to flips to resistance, and then yeah, now we come here. I'd think it flips to short, so I'm looking for any, like, it can be dangerous as well because we've got this inefficiency. What's us to say it can't just reverse after that? But yeah, let's see. Depending on the dollar, it could do something like this as well, where it just trades here for a bit and then reclaims this top half of the range, and then yeah, we trade like that. EURGBP, what did I think of this? I'm not sure, you know. I'll come back to this, but yeah. No, well, so yeah, we'll just do the last two pairs. Aussie. Yeah, it's like, so I had this swing low capping the market here, and then we had this low as well capping it. Say more recently this low here as well. And then I'm looking at this range high. If you take it to like here, wherever you want to do it. But yeah, so maybe if we come in here to hold this level, come here and then hold that, I'm looking for that scenario. Or if we just break down, then yeah, literally I'm just trying to dumb it down as much as I can. Because it's quite, everything's quite hectic at the moment. So just to say, looking for pullbacks to go long or a breakdown to go short. And then New Zealand, it's an interesting trend because obviously it's support and flip to resistance. So I wouldn't be surprised if we see something along the lines of, okay, it comes in down here and then it continues to break down. Maybe looking for a fill in here, maybe a tap into there, and then yeah, something like that. Essentially a sweep of the high. To flip short. Man, this is so slow. It's high conviction if we go down there. I might wait for this one move here. If not, yeah. The main thing is the reaction of this level, because obviously this is also the midpoint of this upper range, more or less. So it'll be interesting if we just tap into that and then obviously begin to move down. If we do this like number for number, so 3, 5, 4, and then this is 972. What was that? 972. So the midpoint is 60, 66.3. 60, 66.3. So yeah, it'll be interesting if we just get a tap into that level there, and then yeah, that's all I'm looking for really. Like I said, it's simple. I'm trying to just simplify as much as I can. Especially, I think the last week was a struggle, trying to read a lot of uncertainty. So I feel like my levels are bang on. It's the execution and the patience to play them, which I feel like I have now, because I've just become more emotionally aware of my situation. So yeah, I might come back Monday and then just tweak a few things that I like, what I don't like, and then yeah, play it from there. Nice one.